Hey guys, Dave from Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial ULTIMO servo driven CNC press brake. This particular model is a 4 meter 175 ton CNC2, so it's a touch screen iBend CNC controller. Heavy duty build quality as all of our Steelmaster press brakes are. The iBend is the top of our range in the 2-axis CNC version. Some of the key features being servo drives, as I said. We've got full length quick action tool clamping, as you can see straight across the front there, which makes your changing your top tool very easy and fast. The swing out side guards, we've got the DSP Italian laser guards, and as you can see there, they move up and down with the top beam, so you can actually get in nice and close to your bending. The ULTIMO itself is, as I said, a heavy duty build quality right across the board. So 4 meter length, we've got sliding front sheet supports there on this as well that run on linear guides. It's actually running at the moment in an auto cycle, so as you can hear, it's very, very quiet because of the servo drive. Quality back gauge fingers. We've also got over here on the controller itself, just running through a cycle. As you can see, the touchscreen controller, we've got full demo videos on youtube.com/assetplant, so you can jump on there and watch the full demo on our iBend controller. But our 4 meter 175 ton, we've also got a large 420 deep throat running around the back of the machine just over here. We have a full open back press brake with safety guards on the back. On our 4 meter machine too, we've got about 3,600 clear pass between the frames, which is huge for a 4 meter machine. And also, as you can see, they're huge reinforced 420 throat. So all these features, wall mounted back gauges to also give you more clearance. We've also got illuminated lighting in the back there as well to keep the back of your workplace nice and light. But all round, the ULTIMO iBend is the ultimate in the CNC 2-axis press brakes, only offered by Asset Plant Machinery. So jump onto assetplant.com.au for the full range of metalwork machinery. Thanks, and have a great day.